up? It's me Annie, back again with some awesome content. So in today's video, I'm going to be going shopping. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so before we head out to go shopping, I'm going to be telling you guys where I'm going and stuff like that. So basically, I'm going to be going to Newmarket, Calcutta, and there I'm going to be going to a particular shop which my friend recommended me. She was like, I went there a few days ago, and she said that the shop was amazing, and she sent me some pictures of the stuff they had, and my God, they're good. Just they're good. I can't express them with words, but you guys need to see them. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and basically this shop is like having all kind of antique decor kind of stuff, and all those house decor, figurines, models, porcelain dolls, vases, etc. So let's check out what goodies we can find, and they also said that I can film there, so I'm very happy because I don't need to go and ask for permission in the spot, because I just called them and they said yeah, it's okay. So yeah, that's all for right now, and let's get into the video because I'm dying to go shopping, so let's go. Had to include this. So beautiful. The view, the bridge is so good. I just love the view, right? Comment down what do you think about this view and the weather. My God. Hey guys, so I'm right now at the shop, and I'm going to be showing you there are extremely good decor, house decor, and a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be showing you guys. Let's show you. So guys, something really caught my eyes, and let me show you that. It's this cute Thai statue kind of a thing. It's this three, and I like this. These are like so cute, right? And the store has so amazing collections. Just check it out, guys. Check it out. It's so cute, the stuffer. I especially like one of the figures. Let me show you which one I like. It's this one. So cute, right? ये जो गांधी जी के 3 मतलब वो बंदर थे ना, उनके कॉपी है ये. बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो और बुरा मत बोलो, I think. Yeah. And see those elephant. They are probably looking made of wood, but they are not. They are made of, I think, porcelain or something like that. And the collection is amazing here. See this black Buddha, it's so good. The crystals, oh my God, I love them. Guys, if you're ever here in Newmarket, do check out this store, and I'm going to give you the address and the card of the store later, and the contact number also at the end of the video. So do stick out at the end of the video to check out the details. So yeah, I found another amazing thing. Let me show you guys. So another thing, this black swan, it's like so cute. It reminds me of the Swarovski symbol, right? And apart from that, there are like huge collection of those dolls. So this one I showed you at the first, these 3 Thai dolls, and there are small versions of them also. Oh my God, they're so cute. I want them. I want this one because I don't have space for these 3, so I'm gonna get this one, I think. And there are also a lot of beautiful green structure. I don't know what this is called. Means a thing which is made of, but it is so beautiful, right? It's a laughing Buddha, and I love it. It also has this color, that is this orangish color, orange and green. If there would be a white, oh my God, it would be the Indian flag color. That would be great, right? And these golden eagle, oh my God, it's so good. Another thing which caught my attention is this really good chariot kind of a thing. At first when I saw it, I thought it was made of metal, but no, it is totally made of something else. I don't really recall what is it made of, but it is really good. See, so cute. In the store is these really beautiful clocks, and if you know me, I love clocks. And there is this one also. Let me show you a close-up of this. 1 second. So cute, right? It has a horse. It is a built-in model and a clock. Oh my God, it's so good. I love this very much. When we are talking about clocks, just check out this amazing clock. It looks like an anchor of the ship, and it's like so beautiful. I totally like it. It's totally an aesthetic, right? Yo, I like it very much.